In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Binance graph quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Binance or just looking for ways to customize your trading experience, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to modify your graph settings. Tailoring your graph according to your preferences can enhance your trading analysis, helping you make more informed decisions. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is open the Binance app on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home screen and tap on the Trade button. This will take you directly to the trading dashboard where you can manage all your trading activities. It's the central hub for buying, selling, and monitoring different cryptocurrencies. On this dashboard, you'll see a section dedicated to charts. That's where the magic happens. Now, with the trading dashboard open, go ahead and tap on the chart area. This will focus your screen on the graph section, giving you a clearer view of what you're working with. Once you're in there, you have some options for how you'd like to view your data. Binance offers two main chart types, original and trading data. Each of these provides a different perspective on market information. The original layout may suit those who prefer a simpler visual, while trading data can be advantageous for traders looking for more detailed breakdowns. Choose the one that best fits your style and trading needs by simply selecting it. It's all about finding what makes your trading experience both efficient and comfortable. After you've chosen your preferred chart layout, it's time to dive into more customization. Look for the settings icon, which is usually depicted by a small gear symbol. Tap on it and you'll open up a menu filled with various options to fine-tune your chart. From here you can change the style of the chart to something that's more visually appealing or easier for you to interpret. Perhaps you want to switch from a line graph to a candlestick chart, or vice versa. It's entirely up to your personal preference. Furthermore, while you're in the settings menu, explore the different indicators available. These indicators, like moving averages or Bollinger Bands, can provide valuable insights into market trends, helping you to strategize your trades more effectively. Experiment with these tools and see which combination gives you the information you need to trade with confidence. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to changing the Binance graph to better suit your trading journey. Remember, the key is to make your trading interface as intuitive as possible, so don't hesitate to play around with these settings until you get it just right. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks in navigating Binance and mastering your trading strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.